Although roofing may not be the first thing we think of when it comes to improving the look of a home, replacing, updating, or upgrading your roof not only boosts curb appeal, but helps keep the contents of your home safe, dry, and protected year-round.
We had a hailstorm, so my roof was totaled, so it needed to be completely replaced. If I ever have roof issues, whether it be gutters, roof, I always call Acme Roof. I won't call anybody else.
Acme Roof Systems has been in the business of repairing, upgrading, and installing residential, commercial, and industrial roofs in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for a quarter century.
We started Acme Roof Systems in 1995. We specialize in residential and commercial roofing. We've been servicing the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex for the last 26 years. From the moment that a customer contacts Acme, our goal is to be there as quickly as we can. We do take their information, we assign it to one of the estimators who then goes out and meets with the homeowner. So once the roof's been evaluated, the contracts have been signed, that's when we start scheduling our installers to come out and actually begin the work.
The whole process from beginning to end was so simple. From the very beginning of calling to have them come out to look at my roof to the end product.
The commitment to satisfaction and consistency goes even further with Acme Roof Systems, who have employed the same roof installers for over 20 years.
So having installers that have worked for us for 20 plus years really shows the commitment that Acme has to building trust and loyalty, not only with the people who work for us, but also for our customers and homeowners. That really shows that, we want to build those relationships and we want to continue to work with them year after year. How does a homeowner know that they need to have a roof replaced? Normally after a significant storm, like a hail event, which we're known for here in Tarrant County, you'll need to have your roof inspected. Some of the things that a homeowner can look for would be stains in their ceiling, also missing shingles, especially after a high wind. High winds can also damage the roof. The extreme weather determines the lifespan of that roof. Placing the roof on your home really helps your home perform better. It does enhance the energy efficiency. It does help with the curb appeal. So when you pull up to a house, you really don't realize how much of the roof you actually do see.
When they finished my house, it looked completely different. The roof just brought a whole different look to my house. I'm highly satisfied. Like I said, if we ever have any kind of roof issues, that's the only company we will go with because they're so reputable, so kind, and so professional.
We do single-family homes, multi-family homes. We do commercial buildings, tile roofs, flat roofing. So Acme is knowledgeable in all of those areas and are ready to help homeowners anytime they need something. If you're in need of a new roof, or if you would like to just have someone come out and give you an estimate to determine, if you have any damage, please give Acme Roof Systems a call. We would love to come out and give you that free estimate.
To learn how you can update and upgrade the roof on your home or business, visit acmeroofsystems.com and designingspaces.tv.